Hey everybody, welcome back for another Track Hoe Tuesday. So glad to have ya. We got a lot of snow here, so JD got out the skid steer and he hooked up the snowplow. Time to get everything cleaned up. Thanks for joining. And I have Rylan here to help me narrate.
We got snow last night. Time to plow the driveway. Watch out! The plow hooked up to the skid steer. Tracks are great for snow. Let's take a look inside. There's the gas gauge, but we actually use diesel instead of gas. There's the radio to listen to music. Right control. There's the left control. Doesn't it look like waves on the beach? Let's pretend we're on a beach. I can almost hear the seagulls. Can you? I think I can hear music playing on the beach. Wouldn't it be great if white sand but not white snow?
Don't forget to subscribe below and hit that notification button. We bring out videos every Tuesday. We call them Track Hoe Tuesdays.
Bye-bye, snow. See you next year. I can't say I miss ya.